Let's import this already built model in the SAP to the Idea Statica. So at first we have to draw a complete model on the SAP and provide all the loading analysis. And after that we can run the model. So there is no warning. Done. Then go to design, state frame design, start design check. So here we can see our member has been passed successfully. So let us import this into Idea Statica and do some connection designs. I will select the model that I want to import like this. Go to tools. If you haven't added the plugin, you can add from here. So for me, I have already added the plugin, so I will just go to my plugin wrapper from here. Yes, plugin successfully completed. So we can see our member has been successfully imported along with the load effect, loadings and load combinations. So if we choose local extreme, it doesn't matter. So the only connection member is 8 here. So just click on open. So here we can see the member at connecting point 8 is like this. So M4 is our column, M7 and M6 is our beam, and if we go to M4 we can see these things has been locked, but it doesn't matter. Even if you click on M6 or M7, all of these things is locked. So we are providing the forces in bolt, this one also in bolt, and this one also in bolt, and this one is column and it has been set as a bearing member. That's why it is showing like this red here. So after that what we can do is, at first let us try to connect member M4 with M7. If you try to do anything from here, you cannot do it because it has been imported from the SAP. So we just have to do some operations. So let us start operation, and then at first let us add the int plate like this one, int plate. Then bolt assembly, let us give 8.8 M20. Okay, but it can vary depending on your model and depending on your design. So here member 1 is M7 and it is connected to M4. Okay, if you click on the control button in your keyboard and then your central mouse, then you can rotate like this. So here we can see our element as our connection member has been done like this, and here we can see some offset, but we don't want the offset, so let us just delete the offset from the top. From the bottom let us do 0, and then on the weld also we can see this additional weld which we don't need. So let us click here, and then our additional unwanted weld has been gone like this. So our member looks like this now. But if you want to weld, then you can just click on here. There we can see our weld has been added. Mm, Yum Yumpo is our column. So I think I have done something wrong because yeah, it's fine. So Yumpo is our column, and then we have attached Yum4 with Yum7. So now let us add the cut operation. So we are gonna cut member Yum7 by member Yum4 like this, and then we are gonna offset Yum4 by, let us say, minus 190 here. Now member Yum4 cut by member Yum7. Sorry, I was confused. So member Yum4, it should be cut by Yum7. So Yum4, and then let us do offset to minus 200, 250, 240. Now it looks perfectly aligned. Now it looks good. So after that, let us work on, as we can see, this one is so much on this side. So let us work on the nut bolts. EP1. From here we can see the dimensions. So this is only 40. Let us increase the 40 to 60. Then it would be fine. Look, it has been moved inside on the both side. Or rather, if you want to change this to 55, 55, it's also fine. It looks good now. And then let us do some connection member for M6 and M4. Let us try this one. Shifted end plate beam to beam here. Member M6 connected to member M4 like this. And then we can delete these welds. Maybe it is this one, yeah. So our extra additional welds has been deleted, and let us work with the bolts. The bolt is too near, so let us try here 30. Let us try here making 50 or 60. Here also 60, and then let us do the 50 to 60 or 70. 70. Now it looks okay, I think. Now let us try to run the model. from here we can see our plate, bolt and weld, everything is failing because maybe the load effect is more as compared to the dimension of plate, bolts and weld. So what we can do is just we can go back and then increase the thickness of the plate, size of the bolt or welding. So these two bolts are failing, we can maybe add one more bolt in the middle. So you can do this from here. So but yeah, today we have learned about how to import the model from SAP to Idea Statica and do some connections, and this was my main aim. But since it's failing, then you can just change the dimensions from here and apply it to the model, and then it will run successfully. Anyway guys, take care, see you.